We just got our order in, and now the birds are all exploring with it. Sierra's a lot more interested though in the bill though. She is chewing on that mug. Ashley wishes that I would actually open the toy. There's Skittles. He's exploring that toy. And Tut Tut. This helps me choose which ones get which toy. Dewey over there. He's found something he likes. Sierra just popped her little head up. See what Ashley's into. That big turtle's done a toy. Candy dish. No candy in it. Here's the good girl. I'm sorry, I hadn't opened that one yet. Sierra's pissing off Tootsie. Ah, the baby's found something. See how she sticks it in her little rump feathers right there? That's what the females do. Some of the boys do it too. But they stink.